Consider this biology question. The function of the lentil cells is dash. A, to remove excess water in plants. B, to absorb water from the atmosphere. C, for gaseous exchange. D, to absorb light. E, to store food. The correct answer to this question is C, that is for gaseous exchange. Now, lentil cells are small porous opening found in the stem of woody plants. What do I mean by woody plants? That is plants that grow like trees. So let me make a small drawing of that. This is the root, this is the ground, the soil. Then we have branches. So we have leaf around here. Say this is leaf. So now, this part is known as the stem. Now, what covers the stem is called bark. B-A-R-K. So that's bark. It's not B-A-C-K in the case of human being. B-A-R-K. So that's the outermost part of the stem. And that bark is almost impermeable for air. That is, air cannot easily enter through the bark in the stem. Bark is also found in the root too. That's the cover of each branch of the root. Now, so there are some openings, small, tiny opening found in this bark, which is called lentil cell. So that lentil cell serve as a natural pathway for direct gaseous exchange between the external environment and the internal tissue. So oxygen can enter through the lentil cell and carbon dioxide can move out through the lentil cell also. Unlike the leaf exchange gases through small opening called stomata. Stomata is found in the leaf. So gaseous exchange occurs with the aid of stomata in the leaf. So not lentil cell. Lentil cell is only found in the stem. So for example, now let's consider other options, the reason why they are wrong. This one says to remove excess water in plants. Now, to remove excess water in plants, that one is also done by the leaf. If you want to remove water from plants, it's done by the leaf. So through the stomata, water can leave and enter through the, water can leave. So water is coming from the roots. The water will go through the xylem tissue, through the xylem vessel, or to the leaf. Then photosynthesis will occur there. So water can leave through the stomata of the leaf. So that process is called transpiration. The process whereby water leaves or plants lose water is called transpiration. So this cannot be the answer. This one says to absorb water from the atmosphere. Water is not absorbed from the atmosphere in plants. Water is absorbed from the roots. So the water moves from the root or to the other parts, like the leaf, especially the leaf. So it comes from the root through the xylem tissue or through the xylem vessel. So this can also not be the answer. Now, to absorb light. So it is the leaf that helps to absorb light. So the green pigment on the leaf, which is the chlorophyll, that's what helps in absorbing light. So this is also wrong. To store food. So lentil cell is not used for storage of food. We have specialized tissue that helps in storage of food. For example, parenchyma. So at the roots. So parenchyma, especially tuber plants like yam. So they have they store food with the aid of parenchyma. Similarly, the fruit itself is a storage of food. Similarly, the cotyledon, that is the seed leaf, even inside the seed, the endoderm of the seed is also a storage for food. So this is also wrong. The correct answer is just option C. Thank you.